Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix jump space game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller. Now select quit. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, then Blu-ray, then select persistent storage. Here choose clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data, and after that try to launch the game and see if it is working now. If not, next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next solution is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for jump space update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs and other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, check if you can play the game. Next solution to clear jump space cache. For that, press Xbox guide. Now click on my games and apps, then tap on see all option. Here search for jump space, then press menu. After that, select manage games and add-ons, then tap on save data and then click on reserved space, and finally tap on clear reserved space. After this, check if the issue is fixed. If not, then next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here select the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once the Xbox is updated, check if you can play the game. Next is to check storage space. For that, first press Xbox button. Now go to profile and system, then settings, then system, then storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space, and after that check if the issue is fixed. Next is to reinstall jump space. For that, press Xbox button controller, move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select jump space, then press menu button and select uninstall. After the game is removed, open jump space official website and download the game, and after that check if it helps. If not, next and the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. So these all are few suggested solutions to fix jump space, game crashing, not launching, lagging or other issues on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.